Well, here's another figure I've painted for the locomotives. I gave him a kerchief around his neck there, a red one. I thought that was kind of appropriate. And I painted him a bluish colour. I thought that would fit in perfectly in his black shiny hat. So what I'm going to try and do now is take a little bit of a ink wash to see, I'll maybe put it down this time, see if it'll work. Yeah, I just need a little bit of a wash so that I get the effect. All I'm trying to do is fill in the folds and the creases. Yep. Well, I think this is probably as good as I will get. I'll just let it dry in, but gives it a little bit more life. It's just a little bit shiny at the moment because the water hasn't evaporated yet, but looking good, I think. Yeah, if you enjoyed this, remember to give me the big thumbs up. You know how it goes. This is just a quick one. Bye for now.